Hello everyone, this is GraphicsDost and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will be learning about the various 2D CAD file formats that are available, and we will be learning the differences among them. For that, I have already booted up NanoCAD right here. For the beginning, we will simply create a new document. So the new document has loaded, and now we will save this document by clicking on the save button. As I am saving this file for the first time, it has loaded up the save document file dialog box. At the bottom of this, you can see that it is asking for the type, save as type. And if we click on the drop down menu, we can see the various file formats that are available to save. So we can see that all these at the top are DWG files, and at the bottom we have DXF files. In between we have the drawing template file .dwt. So as we can see is that the compatibility formats, right? So it is showing which version of AutoCAD it is compatible with. By default, we'll be saving it with the latest version available. As we can see, the latest version available right now is 2013 compatible drawing.dwg, and click on save. As we have already selected the DWG, we do not need to type in .dwg in the file name. We'll simply type in files format for this video and then press save. As we can see that the document has taken the name files format .dwg. So what exactly is the difference between DWG and DXF? For this, I'm going to show you a presentation that will explain the main differences between them. Let us define the various differences that are in the two different CAD file formats. The first is the DWG and second is DXF file format. The first and major difference is that DWG is a closed source proprietary format. It is made by Autodesk specifically for AutoCAD, while DXF is an open source file format made by Autodesk. As DXF is open source, this format can be used by various other programs. DWG is used specifically and only for CAD softwares that are used for designing purposes. DXF is used specifically for sharing CAD files to someone who do not have access to AutoCAD or similar softwares. For example, if you wish to share your CAD files to someone owning a CNC machine, then you have to share it in the DXF file format. Even for FEA analysis, it is applicable. In DWG, newer versions can store 2D as well as 3D elements. 3D elements also include cubes, spheres, cuboids, cones, etc. DXF file formats can only store 2D elements, namely lines, text, polygons, and circles. DXF cannot store 3D elements. DWG is derived from drawing, D-R-A-W-I-N-G, right? So, while the DXF stands for Drawing Exchange Format. DWG on one hand is stored in a form of binary file, so the information stored is a little more efficient, while DXF is stored in a plain text format. thus has larger sizes than DWG. If we have a large complicated drawing, then the difference between these files or formats is significant. So these are the main differences between the two file formats. So unless we are going to share it with someone else, we will always be working with DWG file formats. Thank you for watching the video. Do like and share the video and subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos.